to another video. So today, guys, I'll be showing you how to code your very own Discord.js version 12 bot. So yeah, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but look, I have an excuse. My recent video that I've posted got over 500 views. Like, oh my gosh, guys, thank you so much. Dude, I bet it has like 600 views by now. The Plasma invite tracker. Jeez, I thought it was only gonna get like 100, but dude, it's like 600 in a week. That's massive for me. But yeah, so dude, I was so excited. I actually got a video to 500 views. Who knows? Maybe it'll be my first 1,000 views. I don't know. But it's been growing fast. If it keeps going at this rate, it'll get a ton of views. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get started into this. So the first thing that we're going to do is download node.js, link in the description, then Visual Studio Code, of course, or you can do a different, for example, like Atom.io. This is another different code editor, sorry. But yeah, I prefer Visual Studio Code, and yeah, so without further ado, after you've downloaded these, now we can head into File Explorer. I'm in my documents, and then I'm going to go over to VS Code projects, and I'm going to create a new folder. This one's going to be called YouTube bot Discord JS V12. Now 2312. Alright. So now we're going to go to discordapp.com. We're going to go down to the bottom and and then click developers. The link in it is in the description, so you don't even have to look this up. But alright, so we're going to head over to applications, new application, I gotta capitalize that. Discord.js v12. Create. And alright, this icon looks pretty good. Alright, and then we're going to add the bot to the server. Not yet. We're going to click bot, and then we're going to select this administrator just for purposes. Boom, then we're going to hit this YouTube, and then I'm going to invite it to Wave Quality Team Bot Testing. Administrator, authorize, and I'm not a robot. Boom. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I am in my Wave Quality Team Bot Testing. As you can see, YouTube Discord V12 is right here. Epic. So, next what we're going to do is open up Visual Studio Code. I'm going to open up a new window. This is my bot Neotech, by the way. Link in the description. Invite him. He's an epic bot. Alright. So we're going to open up a new window, of course. And, okay, get rid of this one. And let's wait for this boy to load. We're going to file. We're going to open folder. We're going to open up documents. And then we're going to go to VS Code projects. And where is it? Here it is. YouTube bot Discord.js v12. And boom. It is now opening. Perfect. So we're going to have to go through some stuff in order for this to work. First thing is we're going to click terminal and new terminal. Then if we can get rid of this extension that I just downloaded, there's a lot. And boom, alright, here it is. So we're going to do npm, type npm no, npmi init. We type npm init. It should then start a sort of a it'll create a package.json file, so we're gonna have to complete this. So now this won't work because URL friendly, so I'm just gonna do YouTube bot Discord JS 12. I'm gonna name it that. Now, yeah, so you can't use spaces or anything. The version, we're gonna keep this the same. This is optional, the description. I'm just gonna put it as YouTube bot. Now, the entry point is very, very important. So this is gonna be your main bot file. You can rename it, but whatever you rename it, it has to be your bot file. You can name it anything as long as it has a JS. You could name it main.js. You can name it spam.js. As long as it has the same name as your main bot file, you can name it anything. I'm just gonna name it main.js for this playlist tutorial. Test command, I don't usually put anything in. Git repository, keywords, just keep clicking enter past these. Author is optional. I'm gonna put in wave 18. License ISC, and yes. Boom. Now we have a new package.json file. What this does is this will keep all of your npm installs. You'll see that in a moment. So now we're gonna type npm I discord.js, and it'll download it. And as you can see, it will eventually, once it's downloaded, it will put it in here. Dependencies discord.js right here. Okay, so that's basically it, and as you can see, it made a node modules folder and a package lock.json. So, now remember whatever we named the entry point, which is up here, we named it main.js. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this to create a new file. We're going to name it main.js. Epic. Alright. So now this is where we're going to write all of our code. So, yeah. So the first thing that we're going to do is we have to import the discord.js. So we're going to create a new constant variable so it cannot change. We're going to call it discord, then equals, we're going to require, which is basically importing it, and then we're going to type discord.js. Now make sure that it's in quotes, single or double. Semicolon down. Alright, now we're going to create const client. This is essentially the client or the bot that's going to be running. You can name this pretty much anything. I prefer client because I'm used to it. And then we're going to do const client equals new discord.client. Make sure the client is capitalized. Perfect. So now we're going to go down here and then we're going to type client.on. Then we're going to do quotes, and then we're going to type, geez, I'm an idiot, quotes. And then we're going to type ready. And okay, I'm already getting pinged by my Discord. That is epic. Alright, and then we're going to type a comma. Then we're going to put 2 parentheses. We're going to space. We're going to type enter, and then this. So it looks like an arrow. This is an arrow function, and basically it just allows this to run. That's probably wrong. I've never understood arrow functions that well, but it's basically just letting this run. Then we can put brackets, click enter, and it'll drop. And then perfect. So now we can type console.log anything. I'm just gonna type bot is ready. No. So now essentially this will log in the terminal, or the terminal is the console basically. Now if you're using a hosting service like I use Heroku, free by the way. I have click the I in the top right corner. I have an epic video on that. But so the console is basically like the terminal or the logs. Alright, and then we're gonna type client.login. This is what gets the bot online. So this is basically the bot's password. If somebody gets a hold of this, they can do anything with the bot. So yeah, I'm going to show you mine. However, I'm gonna quickly, so we're gonna go down to bot in the Discord developer portal and then click this. Now, I'm going to regenerate mine after the end of this video. So, yeah. However, there is another different thing that you can do. And I'll show you both ways. But for now, we're just going to click this and boom. So now that is my token. So now if we do node dot, which is what we're going to run in the terminal. I don't know why it's not showing up. There we go. Node dot. I figured out the problem. I made a newbie mistake. I typed client.on instead of client.once. I don't know if this was the problem or if I just didn't save, but... So you gotta make sure to save, and then I just typed client.once instead of client.on, because that just made it more reliable. Then now we can type node space dot, enter, and as you can see, it will console.log bot is ready. Now if we head over to Discord, and then we go right here, YouTube Discord Discord.js V12 is online. Let's go. So yeah, that's essentially how to get your Discord bot up and running. I'll leave a link to the Discord.js documentation. And yeah, guys, next video coming out, we're going to create commands for our bot, because as you can see, it doesn't do anything. If I type help, okay, that's my bot Neotech. Yeah, as you can see, it has some decent commands. I just started developing a couple months ago, and I already have a decent amount of commands. Calculator, yes. But yeah, so anyway, guys, that's how to get your first Discord.js Discord bot up and running. So if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like rating down below. And of course, no, I'm just kidding. I did not forget to show you how to do the other way of putting in the token. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this token. Alright. And then we're going to create a new file called config.json. Then we're going to type brackets. Now you have to make sure that they're double quotes. Token. Then we're going to do colon, quotes, boom. I just made another dumb mistake. You have to put double quotes. Single quotes will not work. But essentially, so now we can go back to main.js. We can do const. But instead of just putting the name, we're going to put brackets, space, space, go to the middle, and then we're going to type token. And then in here, we're going to do equals. And then we're going to type require. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do dot that. So we're going to do dot, and then we're slash config.json. Perfect. So now if we go down here, we can type token, and then that's essentially how to log into our bot using the other way. I recently learned about the config.json way, and I kind of like it because you can also import prefixes and stuff from there. But yeah, so then if we do, don't forget to save. Do not forget to save. You can do Control S, or you can go up to File and click Save. Now, once you're down here, you gotta click Control C. Now, and then that'll stop the bot from the node dot, as you can see. Bot is ready. As soon as we click that, it'll open the terminal up again. So then we can type node dot. Bot is ready, and the bot is online. So yeah, now that is how to create a Discord bot. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like rating down below. And of course, guys, please subscribe. It supports me so much on the road to 1,000, and just, it really helps me. I really appreciate if you guys subscribe. And of course, hit the little bell icon and click all. And yeah, also join my Discord, link in the description, as well as inviting my bot Neotech to your servers. Link in the description as well. So anyway, guys, see you in the next one.